In the world of B2B, marketing needs to be closely aligned with business objectives, the current market, client success, and sales. Marketing shouldn't just be in the job description of the members of your marketing department. It needs to be in at least 1% of everybody's job description. Luckily for me, I'm surrounded by search marketing experts 24/7. My marketing team is made up of 50 plus experts. One of our primary lead gen channels is organic search. Organic naturally translates into content development and creation. Our objective is to build a well-oiled content machine, not only engaging our staff to be an exemplary representation of Directive's expertise, but propelling them forward in their own professional development. We're starting this new content initiative to highlight all the experts here at Directive, whether that be articles on our blog or our guest posting.
Hi, my name is Blake Smart. I'm an account manager here at Directive, and I recently wrote a piece on how to write an effective content marketing strategy.
My name is Ashton Meisner, and I'm the Media Relations and Marketing Manager at Directive. The piece that I created is on the topic of digital PR, how to drop old habits and get media placements faster.
Hey, I'm Steven Tirantilli. I'm an account manager, and my content piece is about 7 ways to increase your conversions on your website.
Hi, my name is Liam Barnes. I'm an SEO intern here at Directive, and I am being featured today for my articles on business analytics, why it is essential in the B2B space, as well as the evolution of the 4 Ps of the marketing mix.
We're really excited to see where this goes, so stay tuned.